WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. That radar picture, a little active at points yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. Most of that activity gone quickly. And now we're in for a little bit of clearing and a little bit of drying. I think our rain chances, while they're not going to go all the way down to zero for the next couple of days, they're going to be awfully close to zero. So we'll expect much drier air in place. And with that, we'll see maybe a little bit better of a swing in temperatures from morning to afternoon. We're at 63 right now in Thomasville, 66 in Tallahassee, not getting a reading in Valdosta. 87 was the official high at the Tallahassee airport yesterday, where we picked up 0.08 of an inch of rain. It's something. Normal highs are supposed to be in the mid-80s. Normal lows are supposed to be in the mid to upper 50s. Blakely's at 61. That's our cool spot. We've got a couple of 68s for Live Oak and for Cross City. Most of our temperatures someplace in those middle 60s, so a little bit on the warmer side of normal. And I do think maybe tomorrow morning we find a few more lower 60s as the air itself dries out. Now, I don't see a lot of fog out there. Some of our eastern areas with reduced visibilities, like in Homerville, down to just less than 2 miles, and Cross City, where it's 5 miles. There can be a little bit of patchy fog over the next couple of mornings, but I'm not counting on any kind of widespread fog. Way out here to the west, we've got a little bit more energy. That's likely going to fizzle before it ever makes any progress towards the southeast. We can see over the Gulf and over parts of the Florida Peninsula, there is a little bit of activity, and that's what's left of yesterday's boundary that continues to push further south and east away from our area. And as we stay between these two boundaries, we're going to have that little bit of drier air where we're hoping it stays like spring outside instead of snapping into summertime. I do think, though, as the air dries out, those daytime temperatures can get a little bit warmer, especially with a little bit more sunshine, like I think we're going to see today, tomorrow, and maybe even Wednesday too. So let's clear out the clouds, bring out more sunshine, limit the shower chances, and that means we'll be watching those temperatures intently to see if we can get numbers up over 90. Haven't been there yet. Maybe we don't get there today, but I think we're going to get real close these next couple of days. Winds on the Gulf today out of the northeast, then on shore later on 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. There's a look at the tide times. High tides will finish up just after 7 a.m. Our forecast is going to call for those 60s becoming 70s quickly, maybe a little bit of patchy fog this morning. This afternoon, I think we're going to easily make the middle and upper 80s. Hopefully we'll stop in the upper 80s. Tonight it's more low 60s, maybe one more of the cooler kind of nights, which is actually still warmer than normal. But I think those morning temperatures inch back up. So do the afternoon numbers over the next few days. We're hoping it stays spring. I haven't seen a 90 officially yet, so I won't put one on the map until we get one. Might have to change that sometime this week, but for the time being, lots of upper 80s with limited rain chances for the first half of the week, guys.